Hey Civilized Sabers fans, today I'm just gonna go over the state of our shop right now and show what's been going on this week. So right here I have, decided to fall off. I have 6 blades that we're gonna be bringing to an event at a local community college, to a end of the summer party for a martial arts club. And we're charging up some batteries right now for the hilts that we're gonna be bringing. We're gonna be bringing about, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 of these hilts. This one's not going. And then, then moving on over here, we have a hilt that was for a giveaway. I'm working on the colors for the blade, because this is going to a photographer and I want it to be like photogenic colors. So I'm still working on the colors of this, but eventually this is gonna be done by the end of the summer and we'll give it to that person. And then we got some partsing right here. We got some heat shrink and a ton of LEDs for the blades we make. And then coming over here, I'm currently working on some PCBs for the next few orders. I got 2 PCBs done for 2 dual star omegas, and then I have a tristar and 2 quad stars that I'm tinning these wires for and getting ready to put on the PCB. Hope you guys enjoy this, and we'll keep you updated hopefully week by week. Peace.